I was working with one of our Transform members. Those are members who work with me privately within the PBT Institute. They get all of our coaches and programs and everything else, but they work with me privately too. And here was a situation where it was a husband and wife, and the husband has been having multiple affairs over many, many, many years. And she was going over everything. Well, this time he did this, and this time this happened, and this time this happened. And this has been going on for a little bit. And I said, okay, what if you had all the confirmation you needed? What if everybody around you admitted and said to you, it is the most horrible, terrible, awful, tragic, horrendous, horrific thing ever? You have that. It is horrible. It is awful. It is terrible. And what do you do now that you have all this confirmation? See, here's the problem. And don't get me wrong, we need to unpack it in the beginning. But at some point, all you get is the confirmation. But when you stop looking for the confirmation, here's why a lot of people don't stop, because then they have to face what they're actually working with and the reality that this person at this point in time, in this current level of consciousness, they are incapable or unwilling to do anything different. So what they're doing is just giving more examples of, well, this time it was this, and this time it was this, and this time it was this. Yeah, and I even told her, listen, I could just listen if you want. Not going to change anything. It's not going to change him. It's not going to change you. You start changing when you realize the only thing I get from this is confirmation. You know what's better? A life well lived. And what you need to do is stop with the confirmation. Yes, you're right. It's horrible. It's terrible. It's tragic. Not minimizing it. You know I've been through it. And you deserve to heal from all of it. So stop with the confirmation. Start with I'm going to do the first step, whatever that is. A tiny microscopic little 1 degree step is better than only getting confirmation. You deserve so much more than that. I hope that helps.